Here I have Honor 10X Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to disable quick launch feature on this device. So to do this, firstly, let me explain you what is quick launch. Quick launch is when you double tap your volume down button and the camera opens immediately. But how you can disable this feature if it irritates you when you accidentally press your volume down button and your camera starts to watching you, filming you, and then sharing these photos and videos with your friends, or I have no idea what you can do about it. You can go to settings, then go to the accessibility features, shortcuts and gestures, ultra snapshot, and just turn this feature off. And now, as you can see, I double tap my volume down and nothing happens because I disabled this quick launch feature. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.